Hello, I am Surajit Ghosh. Today I am showing you VLOOKUP formula with dynamic way. Okay, I will show you in three sheet. Already I will show you the three methods with curly bracket. This is the dynamic with column wise report and this row wise details. Okay, row wise formula, column wise formula, row wise formula, and that curly bracket. So all threes are the dynamic formula of VLOOKUP. So you need not to do any manually. Just have a look. VLOOKUP. This is the lookup value table array column index number. You know lookup value table array column index number and the range lookup. That is your syntax or argument. Okay. So the lookup value. This is your lookup value. I'm doing here that fixed by pressing three times F4 button. So the fixing is that column wise fixed. I am because I will drag this column wise details, so I am fixing this one. Now comma the table array I'm choosing like this, or I can choose like this. Okay, so I'm choosing pressing here and that control shift down arrow and control shift pressing that control shift right arrow. Okay, and that control backspace and pressing F4. Column index number. So the column index number, in that column index number I can put here that manually 2. Okay, because in this location is in my B column, so in the place of 2 column number 2, but I will not put here that 2. Just instead of putting 2, I'm putting that with the curly bracket, the helping of that curly bracket. Okay, I'm showing you the helping of that curly bracket, that 2 comma 3 4 sorry 5 and 6. See, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and that exact match, this is 0 or 0, false or 0, bracket close, enter. See the magic. Okay, just control V, control C, control V, or I can control C and control V. So the magic is there. So no, I did not choose here in every column wise, that every time I did not choose here every column wise details, and it is available in Office 365. Okay, because the array is, because this is the curly bracket is like the array, curly bracket is like the array 2 3 4 5 6, it is array because automatically it is mentioning, it is capturing that 2 3 4 4 5 6 column. So it is only possible in Office 365. Next, the column wise details. See the column wise details. This is also a dynamic, the column wise. Here also I will use as per the column wise automatically, dynamic way. See the employee code number, three times pressing that F4, I am doing here the fixed, the column number, and then I'm choosing here the total table. I could have done here not choosing that table. I could have made the table array. So I'm not doing here, so I will show you later. Fixing and the column index number, this is also a dynamic. So the column index number, see the column index number, choose here and press F9. This is 9. Why is this 9? Because in this column I column is in 9 position. See 1 2 3, just I'm doing that, 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm putting here formula, so that's why I have done here 9. Column wise column will be dynamically. When I will drag in the right side, so column also that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this. Okay, so the 9, so from this 9 I have to take this b columns data. So this is in your column number 2. So what I will do here, I have to bring here 2. So if I put here 7, the ultimately this column details, press F9, ultimately this column details I'm getting here 2. Understood? Probably understood. So rather I did not put here manually, this 2. I am putting here the dynamically, the column wise dynamically. Okay, the 2, see the comma and exact match, that is 0. Okay, see the result automatically, because you will have seen that this is 3. Okay, this is, see, this is 4. Okay, this is 4 and this is 5 and this is 6. So the column wise I have done dynamically, and this is okay. The next, the row wise formula. Here some, the employee code is here. I am not doing that column wise details. Okay, just I will put here the row wise details, because there has given the row wise details, so I have to put the row wise details. So instead of column, choosing column, I have to choose that row. Okay, just I'm showing you. We look up, just showing, sorry cursor. Okay, showing we look up, that lookup value, this is your lookup value. Pressing F4 the one time, so I'm fixing this total cell, because I will not drag here and there. So I'm fixing this cell, comma, the lookup array, this is my lookup array. Okay, I'm fixing this one also. And the column index number, what is the column index number? Here the column index number, because I have to drag the row wise, I'm not dragging that column number column wise. So the column index number, instead of column I have to do the rows. Okay, see, row, row means, see, choosing and press F9, that row is 2, because Control Z. See, for seeing, for checking the row number, you have to press that F9 and then Control Z. Okay, to come in previous position. So the row, I'm in row number 2. See, I'm in row number 2. Okay, I'm in row number 2. But I have to do here the location. I have to do the location. The where is my location? The location is there in B column. Okay, in the B column, and the location also is in 2. Location also is in 2. So what I will do? This minus 0. So I can get here 2. See, so I can get here 2. Okay, Control J, and that exact match, that is 0. See, I'm dragging this one. See, employee code number 3, the employee code number 3, this is your HR mouse 15 and 21,400. If I put here the employee code number, suppose 4, see, it is dynamically it is dynamically changes. Okay, Thank you.